Hello and welcome back to Trading Crafts. This is Bhushan and this is quick trade recap for today. The date is 6th of Jan. Today we traded three instruments, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and USD INR. The first trade was initiated by me. I'll just explain the reason. The trade was initiated around this level where I sold some puts. There were two reasons for selling puts. First is there was clearly support here, and second reason being there was breakdown of this level. So did I know it will have a pullback? No, but the probability is in our favor. Whenever a level is directly broken, the chances of a retracement is very high. So we sold puts around here, and when this gave a breakout of W pattern here around this level where this level was tested, I sold calls. So this position immediately gave profit, and around this level I did book the profits. So within first 25 minutes my trades were done, and then I was done for the day. Okay. The second trade was done by Ajinkya. It was done in USD INR. He clearly mentioned many times the importance of a value pattern. So here it's again a value pattern. You can call it a value pattern, you can call it a head and shoulder, or whatever you want to call it. But the importance is that it is testing this level multiple times, and on this breakdown we initiated the trade. The stop loss was around this level. Today was expiry in USD INR, so risk reward is already in the favor of sellers. So immediately it gave profit and this trade was done. The third trade we initiated was in Bank Nifty. Yeah. On this breakdown we initiated the trade. Actually we initiated the trade quite early, around this level only. Why did we do that? Two reasons. Okay. First reason is it gave a breakout of this level and it couldn't sustain here. So this is quite a liquidity grab, and once it came down to back to the same level it initiated, we initiated a trade here. And the second reason was, just a second. Second reason was we expected this level to be broken, where it tested multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fifth time it would definitely break. The probability is obviously in our favor. Anyways, this was the trade recap for today. Also we are holding one bearish position. This strategy is called a bear call. The benefits of this strategy is when you enter this strategy, the break-even starts exactly the point where you enter it. Okay, so I'll just show it why we entered it. See, this gap you can see from here to here, it is a 300 points gap. It is taking support from a level where there is no support, right? So we expect the market to come at least to this level where we'll book our profits. And the reason why we entered was, see, a clear breakdown, a retest and a continuation pattern. I already explained this pattern multiple times in my last videos. So this is a continuation pattern. We expect market to come till here. We will book our profits here, and then we'll be done for the trade. So the risk for the trade was around, just a second, the risk is around 20,000 and the reward is around 16,000, and that's it. This is a positional loss, so we booked around 16,000. Same is the case with Ajinkya. He also booked the same profit, and this positional position is giving some loss, so that is fine, and we'll see it on Monday what to do about it. Anyways, that's it for this video. Tomorrow we'll be coming out with 2 videos for beginners. We got a lot of requests about creating a content that will benefit beginners. So that's it. Stay tuned for that video and we'll catch up later. Thank you.